Let's discuss the Zang organs, the lung. Key points: the physiological function of the lung, dominating qi and controlling respiration. Free and regulate the waterways. The lung links with all the vessels. The systematic relationship of the lung. Lung is related to the skin in the body constituent and shines in body hair. The lung opens in the nose and produces the discharge. The lung corresponds to sorrow and worry in emotion. Discharge is the fluid of the lung. The lung consisting of two lobes. It is located in the chest. It is compared to the canopy because of its uppermost position among all the viscous. The main physiological function of the lung are to dominate qi, control respiration, smoothen water passage, and assemble vessels. The lung is a place for convergence of blood vessels and helps in charging coordinative activities of qi, blood, and body fluids. The systemic relationship of the lungs with the body are as follows. The lung has an exterior-interior relationship with the large intestine and is associated with skin and constituent, reflects its brilliance in the hair, is associated with sorrow in emotion, with nose in orifice, and with nasal discharge and secretion. The physiological function of the lung. Letter A, dominating qi and controlling respiration. The lung dominating qi and controlling respiration is recorded in Suwen. Lung dominating qi means taking charge of the qi and respiration and operating the qi of the whole body. Taking charge of the qi and respiration. The lung taking charge of the qi and respiration is due to dispersing and descending of lung qi in breathing movement. The lung is the chief organ for exchanging air between the interior and exterior of the body. Human body takes in fresh air and expels waste gas by the lungs' respiratory function. Therefore, to keep the metabolism of the body functioning smoothly. If the lungs' functions are abnormal due to being harmed by external pathogenic factors, respiratory disorder will occur, such as cough, asthma, dyspnea. Next, the operating the qi of the whole body. The lung operating the qi of the whole body can be divided into two aspects. The first is the lung takes part in qi production, especially pectoral qi. The lung performs respiratory function and inhales fresh air from nature. The fresh air inhaled by the lung from the nature forms an important source for the formation of qi in the human body. The second is that the lung regulates qi movement of the whole body. The qi of the lung can be dispersing and descending through the lung qi of the whole body will be ascending or descending, entering or exiting. By activating the flow of qi, lung is able to govern diffusion, dispersion, purification, and descending of qi, as well as regulate the qi of entire body. Next, free and regulate the waterways. This theory was first recorded in Jing Mei Beilun of Suwen. It refers to the function of diffusion, dispersion, purification, and descent. The lung regulates and controls water passage. Through this dispersion, lung qi disperses body fluids and food essence upward to the face and head, as well as outward to skin and hair. It disperses defensive qi to ensure the closing and opening of the sweat pore to discharge sweat generated after the metabolism. Through descending function of lung qi, water and food essence are transported downward and inward to nourish the whole body, while the turbid fluid generated after metabolism is transported downward to become urine through the urinary bladder. Since the lung is the highest position of viscera and participates in the water metabolism of the whole body, it is known as the upper source of water. If there is a disorder in the function of lungs freeing and regulating the waterways, it will affect the water metabolism, which is manifested as edema, phlegm, and fluid retention. Next, the lung links with all the vessels. Linking refers to gathering, whereas all the vessels refers to all blood vessels in the body. Therefore, lung linking to all the vessels means all blood assembling into the lung through vessels. Through breathing and exchanging turbid qi with clear qi in the lung, abundant blood in clear qi is transported to the whole body, linking with all the vessels in the manifestation of lung governing, dispersing, and descending in blood circulation. Through the lungs dispersion, lung qi disperses blood outward. Through descending function of the lung qi, blood is transported inward and backward to nourish the lung. Therefore, lung qi is able to help blood circulation. The lung linking with all the vessels also means that the lung can promote blood circulation for heart. In clinical setting, the dysfunction of lung qi of dispersing and descending can result in blood stagnation. Therefore, the function of lung includes three aspects. Firstly, it forms qi and regulates movement of qi. Secondly, it regulates water metabolism. And thirdly, it promotes blood circulation. Qi, blood, and body fluids are the basic materials to form and sustain life activities of the human body. If qi, blood, and body fluids are in normal condition, a person will be in a good health. In a broad sense, the regulation of qi, blood, and body fluids of the whole body will all depend on the lung. Therefore, TCM believes that lung governs coordination and is considered the prime minister. Thank you for your attention.